Hello once again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today we're going to showcase a product called Topper, and that is exactly the way it's supposed to be used on absolutely any type of protection you can think of for your car, truck, or motorcycle. This product is from Xtreme Solutions. I am repeatedly impressed by the products that I find and test from them. So if you don't mind, we're going to continue on and showcase Topper. Let's get on with the video. Xtreme Solutions Topper is a top coat, a lubricant, and a protectant. It is a cross-linking polymer sealant infused with silica. You can put it on top of a wax, a sealant, a coating, and it will bring slickness, gloss, and hydrophobic properties to the surface of your car, truck, or motorcycle. Today we're going to use it as a topper. The Mini Cooper here already has protection. It has a ceramic coating, and after its maintenance cleaning, maintenance wash, and decontamination, we're going to use it as a topper to freshen up the coating, add more gloss, more slickness, and more hydrophobic properties. The product can act as a lubricant, so you can use it as a drying aid after freshly washing your car while it's still wet from top to bottom. One panel at a time, spray it and dry it. I'm going to go ahead and use the dry method of application on this coated car here, and I'll use a little circular microfiber applicator, mist a few sprays onto the applicator, and ensure that I have even coverage on every panel. And after I have it applied, I will directly grab a microfiber, a fresh one or two, and buff to perfection. Let me give you the first-person view and show you just how easy the product is to use. Both application and removal. It doesn't get much easier. A car this size, you'll be finished in no time at all. The first thing you'll notice, besides gloss, is the slickness. Wiping the product off, you'll feel the microfiber just start to glide easier and easier across the panel. Looking good so far, really feeling slick. You can apply to plastic, chrome, aluminum, any hard surface on the exterior of your car, truck, or motorcycle. Just repeat this process all the way around the vehicle, and in no time and with very little effort, you'll be finished and you can sit back and enjoy the results. Looking good, that customer will be extremely happy. Let's get to the test panel. If you're going to use it as a standalone product, you definitely want to wash, decontaminate, clay, polish, even if you have to do it by hand. It's better than nothing. And we'll put 2 layers down before we start to test. A better view, and on this color, you'll again see just how easy it is to use. Let it cure. This is infused with silica. It is a cross-linking polymer sealant, but the combination really looks good the longer you let it cure. A little over 24 hours, we come back and it feels even slicker. And as you can see, the block doesn't last the slightest angle of this panel. When it comes to gloss, not the highest reading on the channel, but starting at 88 and really jumping all the way up to 96.5. That's 8.5 gloss units, so very, very impressive as well. Let's see if this product can take the heat. So we'll concentrate 200. You know what, this time we're going to go up and exceed 250 degrees, and when we drag the panel outside and spray it with water, you'll see if it failed. You'll see a round circle where it just sheets instead of beads. As we pull the test panel outside under direct sunlight, we'll remove the tape and look for the jetting effect. And we're looking for a darkening. It makes the panel look darker and richer, gives it some depth to the color. You'll see a slight outline, not the best I've ever seen, but nonetheless does make a little bit of a difference. Bead or sheet. Well, this one actually has some impressive beading, and there's no question where the protection is on this panel. Now the product does tout being able to resist chemicals, and you know I can't help myself, so we're going to put that through the test. Let's start with the 10 wash test. Again, this is a combination of Reset and Adams Strip Wash. No problems with the 10 wash test at all. We have seen some fail early on, and using the blower here, the mini blower, we could see that the protection is holding up well. The moisture just rolls off the panel. So let's bring in some harsher chemicals and see what we can do with Citral 266. This is the sealant killer here. And as we spray it on, I'm going to grab you and bring you in close at a different angle. You'll see the outline and you'll see the product actually starting to bead Citral 266, very impressive. Let the chemical dwell there for a few minutes and then grab a microfiber and work the chemical into the panel on top of the sealant itself. We'll rinse, follow up with that same strip wash to remove any residue, and we'll see if it has lasted. This is quite actually impressive for a topper. I'm going to continue on, but remember, this is following the 10 wash test. So let's do it again. Trying to sheet quite quickly rather than beating. That doesn't mean the protection's gone. You can see using the blower, the moisture still isn't clinging to the surface. There's protection still there. So I am yet impressed once again with an Xtreme Solutions product, and I'll keep digging for more. Okay, good friends, that's going to bring us to the final thoughts segment of this video, Xtreme Solutions Topper. And that's exactly how it should be used. You can put it on top of an existing wax or a sealant or a coating or PPF on any external material on your car, truck, or motorcycle. And as you can see from this video, it was very impressive. And that is exactly the rating that this channel will give Xtreme Solutions Topper. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.